Good morning and welcome back to another engaging content from LearnCity. This morning we are taking a look at how to grow peppers from seeds, a step-by-step guide. Growing peppers from seeds can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner looking to try your hand at growing your own vegetables, this step-by-step guide will provide you with all the information you need to successfully grow peppers from seeds. Understanding the basics of pepper growth is another subtopic under this. Before you embark on your pepper growing journey, it's important to familiarize yourself with the basics of pepper growth. Peppers come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and levels of spiciness, making them a versatile addition to any garden. Now let's take a look at the types of pepper you can grow. There are numerous types of peppers that you can grow from seeds, including sweet bell peppers, hot peppers like jalapenos or habaneros, and specialty varieties such as banana peppers or pimentos. Each type of pepper has its own unique flavor profile and culinary uses. Sweet bell peppers, for example, are mild and crunchy, making them perfect for salads, stir-fries, and stuffing. Peppers thrive in warm climates and require full sun exposure, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, to reap maximum yields. They are typically grown as annuals, but in regions with mild winters, they can be grown as perennials. Before planting peppers, it's crucial to prepare the soil properly. Peppers prefer well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. You can amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility and drainage. Before you can start growing peppers from seeds, it's essential to gather all the necessary supplies. This will ensure that you have everything you need at hand and can proceed smoothly with the planting process. Now, let's move on to the first step in the process: choosing the right seeds. When selecting pepper seeds, opt for fresh, high-quality seeds from reputable suppliers. Look for varieties that are well-suited to your growing conditions and desired taste preferences. Consider factors such as disease resistance, heat tolerance, and maturity time when making your selection. Now that you have chosen your seeds, it's time to gather the necessary equipment for planting. Seed trays or pots. These containers will serve as the home for your pepper seeds until they are ready to be transplanted into the garden. Choose containers that have good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Seed starting mix or soilless potting mix. This specialized mix provides the right balance of nutrients and moisture retention for young pepper plants. Avoid using regular garden soil, as it may contain pests or diseases.